Crappie's running. And it is a 21 pitch. And it's got a 4.3 with this boat. And so I would assume it should have been, he said it had a 19. So I'd say we need to drop down to a 19 back what that it came from with. And maybe even a 17. But I don't think this boat will swing a 21 3-blade aluminum with a 4.3 with this much weight. We done?